Saleh. So for friend in friend, print Happy New Year of the friend. Right. So new Happy New Year, Joseph. Happy New Year, Glenn. Happy New Year, Saleh. Right. Next, last print done. So this is another example. Next, see here, looking inside the list, just strings, we can get any single element in a list using specific in square braces. Using a indexer specifies. For example, Joseph is index 0, index 1, Saleh index 2. So friends is equals to Joseph, the list of Joseph, Glenn, Saleh. Print friend the given I. So given index number 1, the Glenn will be displayed on your screen. If you put 2, then Saleh, that also will display on screen. So depends on in you, it will show us starting from 0 to minus. See, lists are mutable. Mutable in the sense strings are immutable. Don't change content of a given string. We must make a new string to make any change. So lists are mutable. We can change an element of a list using the index operator. For example, fruit is equals to banana. So fruit of 0 is equal to B, right? So the error will come. Type error means the string object is not supported, item assignment something. So that is a exception raised. Another example, x is equal to dot lower of lower method, lower function, print x. So what is available in the fruit? Fruit is banana available, right? So your fruit 0, banana B, capital banana is changed to small one, small lowercase. Here fruit dot lower function will be applicable. The entire whatever you have used, that content, that thing is converted into next. Lotto is equals to 2 comma 14 comma 26 comma 41 comma 63. Then 14 26 41 63. Lotto of 2. So what is the index of 0 is 1 is 14, 2 is 26, right? So that is wrongly, right? 26. Print Lotto. See another one, 2 comma 14 comma. Sorry. Print Lotto of 2 is equals to, you can put 28. So then print Lotto, then you can see 2 comma 14 comma, it is 26. If to in the 2 replace your second position, you can set, you can give assign a value that is 28. So you can directly assign a value through index. Understand? So that is what lists are mutable. We can change an element of list using the index operator. See, so in this, so this is applicable. Lotto of 2 is equals to direct element. So that is a print Lotto. So 26 is replaced, means index 2 is 20, 26 is directly to 28. So 2 comma 28 comma 41 comma 63. This is applicable, right? That is called mutable. We can directly assign a value based on your index, right? Next, how long is a list? How long is a list? See, then length, long in the sense length of the given list. See, the length function takes a list as parameter and returns the number of elements in the list. So greet is equals to some hello Bob. So print length, you can count it HELLO 5 space 6 VOB 3, 6 plus 3 9. So the print length of greet 9 is displayed on your screen. Length will give you the resultant is integer only. Length will give you resultant is integer only. That is what the print length of greet. So then represent integer will be displayed on your screen. See, x is equals to 1 comma 2 joy comma sum 99. See here 1 comma 2 comma numerical string. So list can contain heterogeneous elements can occupy. See now 1 comma 2 comma joy is a string. So we can adapt that this one. Now print length of x. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. The length of the given list is 4 only. So actually length tells us the number of elements of any set or sequence, like such as a string. It will shows like displayed on your screen only. Right? This is called as length of given string. LEN is the function. Next, using the range function. So this range function already explained in for loop. So you can give the range of the given element. See here, the range function returns a list of numbers that range from 0 to 1 less than the parameter 0. If your starting index is 0, n minus 1th location will display on your screen. So the range function returns a list of numbers that range from 0 to n minus 1 parameters. Next, we can construct an index loop using for integer iterator. See, for print range of 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? Next, friends is equals to some Joseph, Glenn, Saleh. Then print length of friends. How many are there? 3 only. So that 3 will be displayed on your screen. Range of length of friends. Print range length of the given string. So you can specifically mention that is a list. So in first one, who is that fellow? Glenn, Joseph. So Joseph is location is 0. So then Glenn location 1. So then Saleh location is 2. That is what the list will be displayed on your screen 0, 2. Right? Next, a tale of 2 loops. Here 2 loops. Friends is equals to the given of Glenn Saleh. For friend in friends, print Happy New Year of friend. So each and every candidate, Happy New Year Joseph, Happy New Year Glenn, Happy New Year Saleh. Then next another for loop for range of length of friends. So you can specifically mention